And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can add transitions to your clips. I have 2 clips right here. Let us drag it into the timeline. My CPU is quite slow today. Some updates are running in the background. But here we are. Just make sure that they are placed exactly after one another. So right here where the first clip ends, the second starts. Afterwards, we've got, in my case, the default layout active, and then you can find the transitions right here. Left click on it. You might have to open this drop down on the left. They're categorized. Some of them are pro, so if you're not subscribed, you can only use the free ones. For example, this one is free, like a circle transition. You can hover over it and you can see preview. When you want to use it, click on the plus sign or left click and then drag it into your timeline on a position where it should be. For some transitions, it needs to add duplicate frames. Just confirm this and then we're good to go. Transition is active, so I can adjust it here, but if it's not, you can see this option vanishes. So you have to left click on this transition element in the timeline and then you can adjust it. In this case, we can only adjust the transition duration. Let me play it. And in the preview window, you can see we now have this circle transition. If you don't like it, make sure it's selected. It's highlighted in the timeline and press the delete key. And you can add another one. Let us use a basic. Keep in mind, some they don't work depending on the footage that you use. Let me try this one. It's a simple wipe. From the right, you can see it doesn't really work. So for some, you need to have specific clips and a specific clip length. In this case, let me delete it and use a different wipe direction. Up or down should work. Let me try it again. There you go, this one works. And again, I could adjust the duration here, but you can see it goes up and the second one is revealed. And this is how you can add transitions to your videos using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.